Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Economics Flipped. Okay, today we're going to look at the demand curve. Okay, so first we have to look at a schedule for demand, and what we'll look at is one for pizza. Okay, so we draw a T account and we put price on the left, quantity demanded on the right. The order doesn't matter, you could do it the other way if you like. So we're going to put down some prices, $2 for a slice of pizza, $3 for a slice of pizza, or $5. If we're charging $2 for a slice of pizza, we will be able to sell 120 slices. That's the quantity demanded at $2. If we raise the price to $3, we're going to lose 40 customers, and we are going to sell 80 slices. If we raise the price to $5, the quantity demanded will go to 48 slices. So you can see the law of demand is at work here, right? As price rises, the quantity demanded falls. Okay, and that's because of diminishing marginal utility, substitution effect, and income effect. Okay, so let's take these numbers and bring them over to a graph. Well, before I do that, let's just write down here that the three numbers, 120, 80, and 48 together represent the demand for pizza at a range of prices from $2 to $5. So that's the key you have to understand about demand. It's not at a specific price, it's at a range of prices. So in this case, the range of prices is from 2 to 5, and this is my demand. The whole column represents the demand at these prices, okay? So now we're going to go over, like I said, and we're going to draw a graph for this. So we're going to do a demand curve. We're going to label the market as pizza. I'm going to put my y-axis in, my x-axis. My y is price. My x is quantity of pizza, and we'll bring over the schedule so we can copy that. Bring in $5. Okay, we'll dot across, dot down, 48 slices. We'll lower the price to $3. As the law of demand says, the quantity will go up to 80. And as I lower the price to $2, the quantity will go to 120. Then we'll join those, dot them together, and we will have our demand curve. We'll put a D at the end and we will label that demand. Okay, so what you'll see here is a movement along the demand curve. Okay, that's when we're changing prices. Okay, so what happens if, let's put the schedule back up, what happens if income changes in the country? What if people's income goes up? Okay, let's say it's at your school. What happens if students in your school, the minimum wage goes up and they're now making more money? What would happen to an after-school pizza sale? Well, let's look at the numbers here. So the demand will increase, right? So let's look. We have our chart. At $2, they're now buying 150. $3, they're buying 110. And at $5, they're buying 78. Has the demand for pizza changed at a range of prices from $2 to $5? And the answer is yes, right? We've gone from 120 to 150 to 110 to 78. That whole thing here, this whole area, is a change in demand. This is the new demand at the same range of prices. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to graph that. So we'll bring the new numbers over. Okay, and we show that an increase in demand is shown by a rightward shift of the demand curve. So anytime you have an increase in demand, the curve will shift to the right. Okay, so what I'd like you to start to remember is you're going to say that there was an increase in demand shown by a rightward shift of the demand curve. Okay, and we label that. You notice we have $5 is now 78 slices instead of 48 slices. Okay, and pretty much that's how you're going to draw the demand curve. We'll later look at what happens when supply changes. For now, have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.